Okay, let's get started. Welcome to Hacker Associate Podcast. You're watching the Hacker Show. In this section, I'm going to teach you how to hunt using Burp Suite. I'm talking about CVE hunting. So for this, okay, we need a Burp Suite. Okay, in the middle, this is the Burp Suite, and the software. Okay, we need is the Burp Bounty Pro. Okay, this link I'm going to give you. Okay, in Discord, so you can download. This is the paid application. Okay, this is not the free application. This is a paid application, and exactly I will teach you like why we need this application. Okay, you can also manage, okay, using an open source tool. It's not like we can't manage. There are a lot of possibilities, but we are learning, so we should know each and every technique, okay, for hunting. So this is my burp and I have a lot of extension. Everything is ready from my end, and we need a one server, okay, should be up and running. So in the previous session I already given you the source code and everything for this server. You can see the server is vulnerable, right? We already know about it. And again, when you refresh this page, okay, this basically target will come here. You can see, right, this is our target. In order to basically hunt, or we can say look for vulnerability, or we want to identify CV related information, in this particular case we need to add, okay, this application is scope item. Add to the scope, click here in the middle, show only in scope item, and apply and close. Okay, when this part is done, you can see we only have the server there for exploitation. Okay, next part, what we can do. So let's go to the again website. What is the advantage of this Burp Bounty Pro? The price is around 15,609. Cyber security is costly, even the training is costly, the software is also costly. We can't do anything about it. Okay, even you can also go and look for the monthly plan if you want. Monthly plan is around 1,609. Now every software, every framework, okay, coming around 1800 or 2000. If you are taking a Cloud, Warp Terminal, Gemini, okay, like cost is more, right? I think nowadays we need a minimum 20,000 budget for per month. If you are using minimum, I think 10 agents, okay, 5 to 10 agents, this is the cost actually. And good thing is, if you take a yearly subscription, so 2 or 3 months, okay, will be free. So I have this particular framework, that is yearly plan, okay, which is 15,609. And what's the advantage for this? So if you go further, okay, these are the advantage. One is automated authenticated scanning, seamless Burp Suite integration, advanced profile, high performance. So if you go further under this area, Burp Bounty Pro, okay, here we have a profile available there, and you can see this is the active profile, and here we have a CVE available there, which is React to Shell RCE, React to Shell out of band, and React to Shell, or we can see remote code execution, Windows, right? These three we have. Now how to identify the vulnerability, right? So we have this Mozilla, and let me see the extension and everything. So you can see we have a JavaScript framework, which is Next.js. We have a React, okay, and again this is the web framework. More info you can click here, and again if you pay $10 per month, okay, you have more additional information going to come. But this is basically the information coming here about Weblizer extension. Now if you want to hunt accordingly, what we can do, we can select the target, okay, we can simply right click, and we can simply click here passive scan the host. So when you click here, you will not get the result, by the way, okay, because the profile come under active profiles. So if you simply go to the Burp Bounty, see, this is the active profile, right? This is the active profile, you can see. So we need to perform an active scanning, okay. So you can see clearly it is scanning, by the way. And what I will do is I can simply right click and go to the scan area, okay. One option, this one. Second option is I want to scan, okay, using extension Burp Bounty Pro active scan, and I don't want to scan all the vulnerability. I want to scan only CVE related information, CVE, select it, and now I need to click here, okay, and you are done. So in a few minutes, when the scan is done, okay, you will see the vulnerability and everything will come under the target area, and you can clearly see that, okay, we successfully identify the issues, the CVE, okay. This is a critical come under RCE. Okay, CVE 2025 55 182. That's how you can hunt, okay, for CVE. Okay, this is called CVE hunting. Very easy, very quickly, but we require, okay, like paid framework for that. And again, in we have a program also, web application pen testing. We also do customization. So if you simple go to the Burp Bounty Pro, these are all, web related, okay, frameworks for web huntings. So web red teaming practices, web pen testing, whatever you name it, okay, this is exactly the framework. And if you want to write your own rule, exactly in AWPT program, we will be creating our own rules. So example, let's say if you select this one and you click on the edit, you can also modify this rule if you want. So when you click on the edit, you can see clearly we have the row request. This is the variable. So that part, okay, is out of scope, okay, for this program. Okay, we are doing threat hunting. Okay, so this is out of scope. Okay, I just want to basically mention that CVE based hunting. Okay, that exactly the things I want to discuss. And exactly last 3 or 4 days, okay, I discussed 3 or 4 method, right? This is another method for CVs. That's all for this section. I will see you in the next episode. Have a great day. Please check out hackerresource.com for more information.